The key to getting consistent customers is a simple marketing funnel, and yet many founders ignore it and they end up going bankrupt. After coaching over 50 startups and the big names in the industry, I know exactly how this marketing funnel works, and I'm here to show it to you. In this video, I will show you exactly what a marketing funnel is, how you can use it in your startup, and the key mistakes you need to avoid for maximum success, all in a simple and actionable way. Now, the only question is, what is this powerful marketing funnel the billion-dollar companies use that you can copy and paste for your startup? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. What is a marketing funnel and what is its goal? Well, a marketing funnel is a step-by-step process designed to convert leads into paying customers. Think of it like a roadmap. You take users by the hand and lead them to buy your product. A simple marketing funnel has 4 phases: awareness, interest, desire, and action. It's called the AIDA model. And the idea is to move people further down the funnel, from simply knowing about your business to becoming paying customers. And when you do it right, it should never feel forced. It should naturally lead people to your main offer. Okay, so now that you know the end goal, let me show you how you can build a marketing funnel with these 4 steps. The first stage is awareness, where people first discover your business. And at this stage, your goal is simple. You want to get as many eyeballs as possible. Now, when it comes to getting attention, you have options, lots of them. There are 19 different marketing channels you could use, like organic social media, SEO, content marketing, or ads. The important thing is this: don't just choose all of them. Think about where your audience hangs out and focus on those channels. For example, if your audience is mainly on LinkedIn, you could start by posting weekly articles or updates about your business to attract attention. So really think about it. What marketing channels are you currently using? Are they effective and are you getting the results you want? Really think about it. And if you found a marketing channel that works for your business, double down on it. You want to get as many eyeballs as possible. Okay, so now that we've got people's attention, let's build some interest. The interest stage is about turning that initial attention into curiosity. You want people to say like, this looks interesting. And here is how you do it: with a landing page and a lead magnet. A landing page is a page on your website that shows one specific offer. And the lead magnet is the star of that page. It's something valuable that you offer for free, like a worksheet, checklist, or a demo. And in exchange, people provide their email address. So on your landing page, make it super clear why people should download this lead magnet. And this is super important to collect email addresses early on. I will tell you in a second why this is so important, but first, take a second, think about it. What kind of lead magnet could you create that is super valuable to your audience? Write down your ideas and then create a checklist or a worksheet that is super valuable to your audience, but still relevant to your product. By the way, if you want to get more information on how to build such a lead magnet and a lead magnet funnel, check out this video. I will show you everything step by step. Okay, we have identified the marketing channels. We have set up a landing page and a lead magnet. Now it's time to turn those leads into customers. Hey friends, we get back to the video in just a second, but I've got something special for you. My exclusive Startup Survival Guide, completely for free. You will learn how to avoid the most common startup mistakes and what it takes to build a strong foundation for your business. All in just 5 minutes. This guide is packed with actionable resources, powerful frameworks, and pro tips that you can use right now in your startup. 90% of startups fail. Don't be one of them. Check out the first link in the description below and download your free Startup Survival Guides. Let's get back to the video. The desire stage is where you need two things: a solid sales page and a sequence of nurturing emails. Your sales page is where people can buy your product. You basically highlight the benefits, show some testimonials, and address any last questions people may have. Here's the tricky part. Most people won't visit your sales page on their own, and second, even fewer will buy on their first visit. And that's an issue. That's why we have captured their email address in the beginning with a lead magnet. In marketing, there is a saying that you need 7 touch points with leads that they buy from you. And that's exactly where the emails come in. By capturing their email address with a lead magnet, we can now nurture those leads. So we basically send regular, valuable emails like tips, resources, and worksheets. And the goal is to build trust and keep people engaged. And every once in a while, we remind them of our product. We pitch our product. For example, here is how I do it, and it works great. I send 1 valuable email per week to my audience, and every quarter I introduce a new product. And in every email, I add a gentle hint about my resources. That's a powerful way to remind people of what you offer without being too salesy. Now, here is what I want you to do. Sketch out a simple sales page, like with the headline, the benefits, and the testimonials, and think about how you can craft your emails to provide more value and build trust. Plan it out, like how many emails will you send? What content will you send? Get a pen and paper and write down the next 5 emails you're going to send and make sure they're all super valuable. And then set up an email sequence to share a tip or other valuable resources and gently link back to your product. Okay, we have set up our marketing channels, captured first leads with a lead magnet, and nurtured those leads with an email nurturing campaign. But if you don't take the next step, everything you've done so far will be for nothing. You obviously want your leads to buy your product. This is where your sales emails come in. Sales emails are all about pitching your product with a clear call to action, like buy now or sign up today. The goal is to remind leads of the great product you have and in the end, eventually make them buy. And here's a pro tip. Add urgency to your sales emails, like with a limited time offer or a bonus for immediate action. This way you can incentivize people who immediately buy and give that final nudge they need. So take a moment to brainstorm a few sales emails. Write down some ideas and make sure you add a bit of urgency. So let's conclude this marketing funnel with an example. Let's say you're a fitness app founder. You would start by posting fitness tips on Instagram, which is the awareness phase, offer a 3-day fitness challenge as a lead magnet, which is the interest phase, nurture your leads with weekly health tips, which is the desire phase, and then you would invite leads to try your app with a 7-day discount. This would be the action phase. These are the 4 steps of a powerful marketing funnel. Now, this marketing funnel has worked for countless startups and billion-dollar companies worldwide. And now you have the blueprint to make it work for your startup as well. But hey, knowing these phases is only half the battle. Remember the lead magnets we talked earlier? You need to build a powerful lead magnet funnel. Check out this video where I will show you how you can build such a lead magnet funnel to turn your leads into customers. And also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more pro tips and powerful frameworks on how to build a successful startup. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.